Welcome to the Claude Extended Thinking video. This guide provides practical steps, architecture diagrams, code examples, and best practices for using Claude's advanced features. In this video, we will cover two main modules: optimizing thinking budgets and understanding what extended thinking is. The estimated duration is 45 to 75 minutes. Let's review the Claude API request/response architecture. The flow goes from your application code to the Anthropic SDK, which communicates with the Claude API. This, in turn, interacts with the Claude 3.x model, resulting in a structured response. Module 1 focuses on optimizing thinking budgets within Claude and Anthropic systems. Thinking budgets help manage complex reasoning tasks. Start small with budgets, increase if quality is lacking, and assign task-specific budgets. Keep in mind that thinking tokens are billed at the output rate, which can increase cost significantly. Module 2 explores the concept of extended thinking. Extended thinking provides Claude a dedicated phase for internal reasoning before generating a response. You control this process by setting a maximum token budget, and you can see the thought process in the output's thinking content blocks. The Claude integration architecture is layered, building up from the Anthropic API foundation to the application layer. Layers include the Claude SDK, prompt engineering, and safety and governance. Follow best practices like using system prompts and XML tags for structure. Avoid common mistakes, such as including sensitive PII or ignoring the stop reason on truncated responses. This code example demonstrates a production-ready pattern for tool use with the Claude API, including defining tools and creating a message request. This allows Claude to call external function. Key takeaways include understanding the architecture, prioritizing security and governance, and iterating to make your system production ready. Extended thinking is a core competency in modern AI engineering.